So how do I see the transition from maybe Java 7 code to Java 8? And then I think there's kind of a separate thing of Java 8 to Java 9. So Java 7 to Java 8 is quite a big change on how we think about writing code and how we maintain code. So Java 8 adds a lot of functional programming features, which really helps make code more readable, maintainable over time. So that's going to require a huge difference in mindset from Java developers, but it's for the greater good, so it's a good thing for the long term. In terms of Java 8 to Java 9, this is still early days, so at the moment Java 9 is still in early access, kind of release. There's a lot of discussion about using the module system, which is not entirely clear whether the community is ready yet to make use of that, so it's hard to say. However, Java 9 does include different API additions to streams, collectors, optionals, and completable features, so things that Java 8 developers learn to love and use. So that's a good thing. So functional programming, it's a trend. Is this something that we're going to see for the longer run, or is it just a phase? I would say certainly Java is probably one of the last languages to really pick up the functional programming bandwagon, so it's a bit late. And to be honest with you, functional programming makes things fun again in Java. So that's one thing we should care about, have some fun. But more importantly, really helps write code that is more flexible, cope for requirement changes, reduce the scope for bugs. And those are all characteristics that any software developer should really strive for and embrace. So I think that's really exciting. And in comparison to other languages, we see more and more functional features being added in other programming languages, more advanced things. So, Java is catching up, but there's some good stuff at the moment already. My favorite feature in Java? I would say just being able to define classes and methods and structuring the code. I think that's one of the really great things that you get in comparison to other programming languages. Specifically with static types. So the fact that I can say, this is a variable, that is a number, an int, or this is my class and it has a name and I get compile errors. That makes me really happy because it reduces the scope for having problems in productions in comparison to maybe dynamically typed programming languages like Python, So I'm a big fan of a static type system. So that's my favorite part of Java, I think. Yeah, .NET has added a dynamic feature. I think it's got a dynamic keyword.
Yeah.
I don't like it. I like static types.
Makes things
I don't want us to write JavaScript code. I'm quite happy with Java code that is easy to reason about and understand, and let's keep it this way if we can. First time at Codecamp, met some cool people already, so my class is really interesting mix of backgrounds, so that's nice. And I'm a huge fan of salad divinity, so this is the dream, breakfast and dinner. I just can't get any more of that, so yes.